Hey everyone, thanks for watching again. This is a Fresh Market 15-minute meal review. This is the cherry port salmon. It was really quite delicious actually. Um, Brussels sprouts, rice, nice piece of salmon from the Fresh Market. About 880 calories. Once again, a lot of this is literally just cooking off the oil. I'd say the meals are probably just a little about on par with that, maybe a little healthier. So you saute some, you heat up some oil, saute the Brussels sprouts for a few minutes, make sure they get nice and charred, a nice charred look on them. So I kind of sped this up here, but very simple. You add a little salt and pepper that they provide. Fresh Market does a really good job of providing all of that stuff. So you saute for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Then you add a little water. It said like half a cup of water and cover to steam. I went ahead and just threw a little beer in there actually, and it made it really tasty, especially with the Brussels sprouts. Next, you clean the pan down and go ahead and add the other half of the oil, salt, pepper on both sides of the salmon, and go ahead and start cooking that as well. Always with fish, you have to watch it if it sticks a little bit. Final touches, you do add the sauce at the last minute. But overall, really good meal, great value. We'll do this one again. Thanks for watching.